Factors and multiples. Multiple. We would learn about the multiple concept first before we move on to factors. Multiple of a number is the product we get by multiplying it with any number. For example, let us find the multiples of 5. The multiples of 5 will be 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20, and so on. So, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and it will move on. Yes, you're correct. The multiples of a number are infinite. Important things to remember here. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. A multiple of a number is always greater than or equal to the number itself. A number has uncountable number of multiples, that is, it is infinite. You can find the multiples of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Hence we say that it is uncountable or infinite. Moving on to next slide, we have to remember certain concepts. It may sound very simple, however, it is very important to remember that a number which is a multiple of 2 is called an even number. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. The next concept that each one should remember is that a number which is not a multiple of 2 is called an odd number. Examples, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now we will move on to the next part of this chapter, which is called factors. A factor of a number divides the number without leaving any remainder. That's the definition of a factor. For example, let us take the number 45. Now, 5 multiplied by 9 equals 45. So, 5 multiplied with 9 results 45, and there is no remainder. Hence, we can say that 5 and 9 are the factors of 45. We will try it in a different way. Now, if you do 6 multiplied by 7, it results to 42, and the remainder will be 3 to get the result as 45. So, in this case, there is a remainder. That is why 6 and 7 are not factors of 45. Please remember, the definition itself says a factor of a number divides the number without leaving any remainder. Moving on to next slide. Here we see, or we will find, how to find the factors of a number. We will try it with an example here using the multiplication method. Find the factors of the number 12. We always start with the number 1 and move upwards to find that the product of the multiplication is always exactly the number we are looking for. In this case it is 12, so it should be exactly 12. So first number is 1 multiplied by 12. It will give the result as 12. Next 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. Then 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. After 3 multiplied by 4, we will not write 4 multiplied by 3, because if you see the above example here, in the third line it is mentioned as 3 multiplied by 4, which is same as 4 multiplied by 3. So there is no use of writing the tables further. We can go upwards as the arrow shows here. So hence we will stop here and read the answer as follows in the direction of the arrows as shown in the below figure. 1 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, and 3 multiplied by 4. That's what we did. So the answer will be, or the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. You see, starting from top left hand corner, we go down in the direction of the arrow, following it as 1, 2, and 3. Then we move right and move upwards in the direction of the arrows, mentioning 4, 6, and 12. So the final answer we get is, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Points to remember here. 1 is the factor of all numbers. The number itself is also its own factor. A number has limited number of factors. It's not infinite, as in the case of multiples. A factor of a number is equal or smaller than the number itself. So that's all we need to know about this chapter, and thank you for watching this video. I believe it was very helpful, or it will be very helpful when you do the further exercises on this chapter. Thanks once again.